Hi students, let us go with our new topic, measures of dispersion. Maximum 2 marks guessing from here. Let us go with our problem. If the mean of 9 observations is 100 and mean of 6 observations is 80, then the mean of 15 observations is what? 80, 92, 96, 108. Okay. Let the hint is, the solution is 9 observations is 100 clearly. We know 9 observations. Suppose x1 plus x2 plus so on x9 by 100. Sorry, 9 equals to 100. Yes or no? 9 observations. Mean of 9 observations should be 100. Okay. And mean of 6 observations. Mean of 6 observations means x1 plus x2 plus so on x6 by 6 equals to 80. Okay. Then what about 15? Clearly we know x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on x9 equals to 900 and x1 plus x2 plus so on x6 equals to 480. Yes or no? Okay, then we need the mean of 15 observations. 15 observations equals to x1 plus x2 plus so on plus x15. Yes or no? By 15. Okay, then suppose adding both, then we'll get what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 so on x9, and also here we have x1 plus x2 plus so on x power 6. Okay, now adding all this, then we'll get what? 900 plus 480 by 15. Okay, because of we have 15 here. Yes or no? Okay, adding all these equals to, now 900 plus 480, then that equals to 0, it is a 8, it is a 13 by 15. 15 9s are, yes or no? 135. 15 2s are. Okay, which option is correct? Second option is right one. Okay, simply like that. Now the median of distribution is a 83, 54, 78, 64, 90, 59, 67, 72, 90, 73 is what? Okay, first of all, for median we have to write in the, for this discrete data we have to write in the form of ascending form, ascending. Then first one is a what? 54 is the first one. Then after 54, 59 and 64 and 67. After that 70, 73. Okay, sorry, 72. Then 73. Okay, then 78, 83, 90. Okay, 83, 91, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where are 2? 54, 59 and 64. Yes, 64 and 67. Okay, then 72, 73 and 78. Okay, 83 and 90. Okay, then what about 70? We have extra 67 and 70, 72. Okay, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the median of this series, discrete series is a we have 2 mid values. Yes, sir. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 2 mid values. So average of mid value by equals to 70 equals to 142 by 2 is a 71. Okay. Now option is, actually it is a 71. Sorry. First option is our right option. Okay. 71 is the answer. Okay. The minimum value of x minus 6 whole square plus x plus 3 whole square plus x minus 8 whole square plus x plus 4 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square is what in this option? Clearly here, simple, here we can taking the mean of, okay, mean of minus 6 and minus 3, 8 and minus 4 and 3 is our minimum value. Okay, then now adding all both, then you get what? Minus 3 plus 8 minus 4 plus 3 by 2 equals to 14, 17 minus 7 equals to 10 by 6, here 5 no, mean 10 by 5 that equals to 2. Okay, fourth one is our right option. Okay, now if AM equals to 24.5, GM equals 24.375, then HM equals to what? We know GM square equals to AM into HM, yes or no? This is one of the formula. GM square equals to 24, then actually we need HM, yes or no? HM equals to GM square by AM, yes, GM square 24.375 whole square by 24.5. Okay, now we have to simplify it. 24.5. After simplification we will get maximum, we will get this one, fourth one. Okay, now please check it. Problem is sigma I equals to 1 to 88, xy minus 8 equals to 9, and sigma I equals to summation I equals to 1 to 18, xi minus 8 whole square equals 45. Then the standard deviation is of x1, x2, x3 so on x18 is, okay. Clearly here we know x equals to 18, yes or no? Then we need standard deviation is a sigma. Then variation equals to, then we have formula for variation, sigma square equals to sigma xi square by n minus sigma xi by n whole square, yes or no? Clearly we know it is nothing but sigma n equals to 1 to 18 sigma xi square, sigma xi square is now it is nothing but sigma xi square by n, 1 by 18 sigma xi minus 8 whole square, okay, I equals to 1 to n, and also minus sigma xi minus 8 by 18 whole square, okay, 1 by 18 into, now what's that, 1 by 18 into 45, yes or no? Clearly minus, now it is nothing but 1 by 18 sigma xi 1 by 18 into 9 whole square, yes or no? Okay, let's simplification. 5 by sigma square equals to 5 by 2 minus 9 by 4, 1 by 4, then equals to LCM is okay. Now sigma square equals to 5 by 2 minus here 1 by 4 equals to, it is a 4, now 10 minus 1 equals 9 by 4, then sigma equals to 3 by 2, yes or no? Our option is third one. Now next one, now the sum of squares of deviation from the mean 50 for 10 items is 250, then the quotient of variation is what? Quotient of for quotient of variation we can finding the sigma square, then sigma square equals to sigma di square by n, sigma di square is a 250, n is a 10, then that equals 25, then sigma equals to 5, yes or no? Now quotient of variation formula is sigma by mean into 100, sigma equals to 5, mean is 50, yes or no? Mean into 100, 5 get cancelled equal to 10. Our option is third option. Problem is the mode of distribution. Now here it is a distribution Now what is the mode of given distribution? Simply here, the number having maximum frequency is called mode. Okay, now the mode is nothing but maximum frequency. Now this is the mode. Okay, 6. Our option is first one. Now the last one, the mean of 4 observations is 3. Mean of 4 observation is 3. The sum of the squares of observation is 48. Sum of the squares of observation is 48. Total number of observations are n equals to 4. Yes or no? Okay. Now we need SD. Sigma square equals to 1 by n sigma xi square. Okay. Minus sigma xi whole square. Yes or no? Okay. Then 1 by n. 1 by n means 1 by 4 into 48 minus it is a 3 square. Okay. It is a 12. 12 minus 9 equals to 12 minus 9 is a 3. Okay. Then sigma square equals to 3. Then sigma equals to root 3. Okay. Our standard deviation is a root 3. Okay. Now these are the important type of problems in measures of dispersions. Okay. If you like this video, please like and comment on comment box, and also share with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you.